Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Learning with Soft Scholar. If you are interested in applying for this opportunity, make sure you watch this video till the end. I will share the direct apply link along with complete details in the final screen. This is a job opportunity for an associate manager role in supply chain or manufacturing. This is a permanent position and it requires around 12 years of experience, which clearly indicates that it is a mid to senior level role. This is important. This is not an entry level job. It is meant for professionals who already have strong experience in manufacturing and supply chain operations. Let us understand their role. Let's break down what this role actually involves. The responsibilities including understanding engineering drawings, working with GD&T concepts, and handling automotive assembly and welding processes. The role also requires knowledge and PPAP documentation, including process flow diagrams, failure mode and effects analysis and control plans. In addition, the candidate is expected to work on process layout design, line balancing and installation of jigs, fixtures and machines. There is also a strong focus on pre-production planning and scheduling, which is a core supply chain activity. Let us break down the skills. Now let's understand the skills required for this role. We can divide them into three categories: technical, operational and managerial. Technical skills. From a technical perspective, the role requires a strong understanding of engineering drawings, knowledge of GD&T, familiarity with automotive manufacturing processes, experience with CAD tools such as AutoCAD or other 3D software, and knowledge of PPAP documentation. Operational skills. From an operational standpoint, the role involves process planning, line balancing, capacity calculation, and production scheduling. Explain. These skills are essential for improving efficiency and ensuring smooth production flow. Managerial skills. And from a management perspective, the role requires project coordination, implementation of systems and process, and strong team collaboration. Who can apply? Now, who is this role suitable for? Typically, this role is ideal for mechanical engineers, industrial engineers, automotive industry professionals, and experienced manufacturing or supply chain professions. You can find the direct application link on the screen and also in the video description. If you meet the requirements, go ahead and apply. And if you want to prepare for such roles, follow this series. We are building the exact skills required step by step. Thank you. If you find this content valuable, kindly subscribe to Learn with Soft Scholar for structured and in-depth learning in supply chain management.